How to fix Outlook freezing and not responding. All right, so your first step, let's say your Outlook isn't working. All you need to do is go ahead and use the search to simply search for Outlook. Then simply right click and, run it as an administrator. Now, if this option doesn't work, the next thing you can try is to simply use the Windows key and R to enable the run. And then all you need to do is simply type in outlook.exe space and then put in safe /safe and click enter. That should open up Outlook in safe mode and fix up any issues you may be having. Now, if this option doesn't work, another thing you can try is open up the search again, but this time we're going to be opening in settings. So open up settings, and then from settings, head over to the apps menu, click on installed applications, and then you can use the search app feature to simply search for Outlook. And now we found Outlook. So click on the three dots by the side, click on advanced options, and then scroll through till you find repair and then click on repair, and it's going to go ahead and fix up the app if it's having any issues and the app data wouldn't be affected. All right, guys.